How to fix error code F6e0 lost communication of microwave at KEBS 207.
Hello, and thank you for using this service. I'll be helping you with your problem today. I am so sorry that you have this issue because this is quite a major problem. Your main control board has likely shorted, but there is really no way to know for certain. The first thing you want to do is just turn the circuit breaker off for 60 seconds to see if the electronics will reset. If not, F6e0 means there is a communication error between the main control board and the interface control board. You can definitely uninstall the oven and remove the top panel to look around and make sure all the wires are secure, but that's about all you can do as far as diagnosing this problem. Aside from that, F6e0 is the worst issues you can get on this model because there is no way to test which part is actually faulty, so you basically have to guess which control board you want to replace first. That is why it's usually better to call a technician, because he can actually return the parts he doesn't need if it doesn't fix the issue, whereas you cannot. If you wanted to try to replace the parts yourself, I would recommend ordering the parts from repairclinic.com because they are one of the few places that allow you to return control boards. Again, I'm really sorry you have this issue because even technicians dread this error. Please remember that when you are asked to give a rating, you are rating my service and not this website itself or the problem of your appliance. Appliance Doc 41374.1883414815.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.